Welcome back. It's Chili Davis back to do another video. Today we're going to talk about my top stocks, but real briefly, we're going to talk about what's on CNBC, just to give an idea of what's going on in the market. So it says here, Hertz says Tesla already started delivering cars, even though Musk said there's no signed deal. So if many of you don't know, last night, Elon Musk tweeted, hey, we still have our customers to make certain those orders get done first. And, the official documentation has not been signed for the 100,000 vehicles for Hertz. So this morning we saw in the stock, Tesla, it took a slight dip. But, after a great run up from, I guess it was $1,000 per share up to about almost $1,200 per share, I would expect a pullback. So anyway, that's what's going on this morning. Right now, they're saying the Dow Jones is up slightly, 0.11%, and the S&P is up 0.29%. The NASDAQ is up slightly, 0.19%, and the Russell 2000 of small caps is down this morning. Okay, so we're gonna go over to my Robinhood and take a look. As you can see, there's a lot of red, but then that just means there's opportunity to buy low. Looks like one mega cap tech stock we have up is Google, G-O-O-G-L, Google or Alphabet is up 2% on the day. So Alphabet still carries the symbol Google because they were known as Google before they changed the main company to Alphabet, but it is still Google. And the Google stock, again, was up 2% on the day. Let's see, what else here? Ticker symbol COIN, Coinbase, the cryptocurrency company is up 1.63%. So if you buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, the stock itself is up 1.60. Next ticker symbol we have up is AAPL, or Apple, is up 1% on the day. So see if there's any other good news. A lot of tech is being hit today. And as I mentioned earlier, Tesla is down after Elon Musk comments. It is only down 1.87%, but early trading, it was down as much as 4%. So again, not much to talk about this morning in the top stocks. A couple of stocks are at 1%, but that's expected. If a stock is up 1 or 2% one day, the next day may be down 1%. So nothing goes up straight like an arrow. Here's some daily movers. Here's a really high quality stock that's listed here in Robinhood. Surprisingly, Avis Budget Group. The stock is trading at $408, up 143%. Now, Avis, I think, merged with Budget Group, but if you look at the stock over the last year, it is done tremendously well. So kudos to all those who stayed long with Avis Budget Group. If you look at the stock, it's up over the last year, up over 1,100% or 10 times. So that means last year, if you'd have put this stock at 10 or so dollars, today it's up 10 times as much. Now, I think this was a merge because I did know that Avis last year this time was around $100 per share, and now it looks like it's about $400 per share. So basically, Avis, I think during the pandemic, merged with Budget. Probably Avis bought Budget, and so that makes sense to me. But let's look at the news. Avis stock rallies after Q3 profits records, slaps top 3 billion, sales top 3 billion. Okay, so that was great news for Avis Budget Group. And so probably consolidation during the last period. During last year or so, with all the problem, some car rental places had to sell cars, some went bankrupt. So it was a really tough year last year. Anyway, that is the news this morning. Budget being up over 180%. Rogers Corporation is up 29%. Now, Rogers Corporation, it's a really good company. It is over 100 years old. I actually worked for Rogers Corporation back in 2017. So I know a little bit about Rogers Corporation. Like I said, it is founded back in 1832. They do every type of material you could think of. The padding inside of your iPad, when you buy your iPad, that material there is made by Rogers Corporation. They're like in, I guess, biotech, anything related to paper and chemicals. So it says here, Rogers Corporation engages in development, manufacture, sales of materials and components of critical applications. And they've acquired many companies over the years. They actually have segments as far as China and Germany. It's just a behemoth of a company. And if you'd have bought this stock a year ago, you'd have probably only paid $100 or so for it. So last year, the stock was trading at 137, and today the stock is trading at 208. So that's Rogers Corporation. Shout out to them. Great company. They are headquartered out of Arizona. Again, Arizona is a hot place for people to move right now. Like I said, Arizona has a lot of good tax incentives, especially for people moving out of California, a lot cheaper. So that's Rogers Corporation up 29% on the day. So kudos to Rogers Corporation, and kudos to RobinHood for putting some good daily movers, some quality companies. I know all three of these companies. I know Chegg, I know Avis, and I know Rogers. Now, Better Therapeutics, I don't know them. But I've been doing this for a long time. It's about 2016, I got really heavy into stocks. So I know a little bit. All right, so let me look at my other top stocks. Some top stocks of the day is GMBL, or esports, is up 27%. Now, this stock has fallen significantly early this year. GMBL was trading at about $15, but I'm still holding on to it, see what it'll do. NPTM, Neophotonics, was up 6.85%. JENGQ, Just Energy Group, was up 6%. INPX is up slightly, 4%. And the quality stock that we've been looking for all week long is Pfizer. PFE Pfizer was up 3.53%. Again, I bought this last year about $34 per share before they got the vaccine information, and they won that huge contract. Next ticker symbol up, Wheels Up, is private air travel. This is still a SPAC stock. It trades between $7 and $10. This SPAC has not closed its deal yet. I probably wouldn't invest more into Wheels Up until it hits into the 15, 20, even maybe $20 per share. But this is still a SPAC stock. It trades between $7 and $10 per share. Next ticker symbol we have is GBTC. Of course, this is a Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. The fund is up 2.72%, and sometimes it moves with the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin goes up, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust tends to move up as well. We'll talk about NIO shares. The Chinese EV maker was up 1.96%. And another stock, NVIDIA is up 1.64. And one of my favorites, Affirm Holdings, the buy now, pay later, is up 1.33, or excuse me, up 1.60%. And again, buy now, pay later is really popular. The Senate and congressional people are having a live hearing on buy now, pay later type of applications. Of course, we do know Affirm partner with Target, Amazon, and a few other big retailers such as Walmart earlier this year, and the stock has seen exponential growth. It has literally doubled in 1 year. And like I said, I'm a big believer in a firm. I own it in both my Robinhood and I own it in my other account. But just to take a quick look at the chart, as you can see, this year it opened up at $57 per share, and today it is trading at $152. So those were my top stocks in the morning. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. And if you would like some free stock from Robinhood, I have the link below, and we'll see you on the next one.